Welcome to the Tacoma Enthusiast. Here's what you can expect. Product reviews. Every vehicle I've ever owned, I've heavily modded out, and this one will be no different. So when I find a mod that I really like, that I think's worth it on the 2024 Tacoma, I'll do a review on it, which will give you the opportunity to watch an in-depth review of something cool that you can add to your truck. Maybe even some off-road videos. And of course, we're gonna have your everyday kind of video answering questions that you might have about the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. We'll also cover gas mileage. This is a hybrid after all. So there you have it. Just a little taste of what you can find on my channel. I've got plenty of videos, and I hope you find some that you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.